Nearly 8 years ago, my family and I moved into what we thought was our forever home. The problem is, we didn't consult the government or my crystal ball. 2 years ago, we found out that the government was going to build a 6-lane overpass right next to our home. So, we got brought out and we decided this time we want to go someplace where nobody's going to bother us. And this is it. Welcome to the Frugal Gardener's Homestead. This is our forever homestead and garden, all 4+ acres. This is the lower level. It has been estimated to be the size of a football field. And this is the upper level. As you can see, that's where the house is. This is going to be a major undertaking. I am thrilled, excited, and a little nervous. This is a huge project for me, a huge journey, and I hope you guys take it with me. Down here, these trees, a good bit of these trees are going to be cut down. The wood is going to be used for our fireplace. We are trying to be as independent as possible. We are going to put in, I'm saying we, meaning myself and the Frugal family, the Frugal daughter, the Frugal son-in-law, the Frugal nephew. We have been getting help, and it's been a ride so far, dealing with contractors, dealing with setbacks. This process started back around Thanksgiving, and we're finally getting near completion, and now the fun starts. I am looking at putting a high tunnel, a small vineyard. I can put pretty much whatever I want on land this size. This is just the lower level. And I'm also going to put in a small orchard. If you follow my channel, you notice that I have been purchasing quite a few fruit trees and nut trees. I'm up to somewhere between 25 and 30 trees. Those are going to go somewhere down here. This is all going to be cleared out, but the main objective in the beginning was the actual homestead. This is part of the acreage. This is probably land that we're probably not going to be able to grow anything on, but I'm estimating that I'm going to have a minimum of 3 gardens, probably more. There's going to be chickens. There's going to be a greenhouse on the upper level. I've already started working up there. And one other fact that I wanted to mention, this road a month ago did not exist. We had people come in and cut this road out. It's a rough road right now. Obviously, we're going to have to put some sort of brick or stone or something down here to make it level. I wanted it wide enough to get machinery down here so that when we do plant the apples and peaches and pears and plums and whatever else we plant down here, we'll be able to harvest them pretty easily and get things back up to the upper level, which is where most of the action is going to be. So that's a surprise. And like I said, I am very excited. I never thought that I would be able to be in a position to do this, but here I am. And like I said, I hope you guys take this journey with me. It's going to take estimated 2 years. 2 years to get all this done. And I don't know, maybe a little bit more, but I mean, I have the time. It's just a matter of having the energy. So I hope you guys subscribe and stay tuned, because in the next video, or maybe the video after next, I'll give you guys the tour. This is, I guess, more so the preview. So stay tuned. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for supporting the Frugal Gardener and now the Frugal Gardener's Homestead. And I'll see you in the next video. Catch you guys in a few days.